today we'll talk about how can you disable adult content on your Bluesky app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you click here on settings, just click on it. Then you come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down, you click here on moderation, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. You come here to adult content, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean here adult content disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.